My name is Zachary Hogan, and I have the honor of being one of the first people to welcome you to the TradeHouse Sniper Squad. After you've joined our Discord server, you're going to be plugged in to one of the most helpful communities that you can ever imagine. This is part of your launch process. And as you can see in front of you right now, part of the requirements is that you set your username in Discord to include your IML ID so that we can verify you are who you say you are. As you can see with my name, it says Zachary-799693. The 799693 is my ID number. And you're able to find that in your iMarketsLive dashboard, whatever number it is for you. Once you have it, you'll simply, if you're on mobile, come and click in the top left. You're going to click the three little dots and then change nickname. Once you save it, it's just that easy. There will also be a computer version of this video, but for now, this is the mobile walkthrough of the server. After you complete the launch steps, what you're going to be able to do is really immerse yourself in the overall experience of everything that we have to offer here. As you can see, it's fairly simple the way that we have things laid out. We've got the Traders Lounge where there's going to be different announcements, whether it's reminders of educators going live on IML TV, whether it's private team trainings, or just something related to convention or things that we believe you need to see. You're going to be able to find all that information in the announcements tab. The mentor charts is where we share trade ideas. This is a place where you're going to be able to go and see in-depth analysis from some of the top educators within our community. It's very easy for you to keep track of. Everything is laid out nice and organized. And there's not really any chatting that goes on in here. It's just the analysis with whatever explanation behind it. If we switch over to the trading chat, this is where the actual chat happens. Okay? And so with that being said, the trading chat is where you're going to be able to communicate and collaborate with other people inside the community and develop a greater understanding of whatever it is that we're teaching, whatever trade ideas we're looking at. This is where you can communicate about that. The community chat, this is for off-topic conversation. And so whether we're celebrating a win, celebrating a loss, celebrating a birthday, or just having general conversation, this is the section where that happens. You can see that we can expand or close an entire section just to make it a little bit cleaner for navigation purposes. There's one voice chat room if you want to get on there and talk with other traders in the community. You can see there are a few individuals in there right now. We're going to go ahead and hide that. And the last thing really is within what you see right now. The extra section, we of course do have a disclaimer because as we're all aware of, trading involves risk. We're not responsible for any of your wins or losses that you experience in the markets. And so you have to hold yourself responsible for taking action, for plugging in, for asking questions, staying consistent, and studying the content. Okay. Use a demo account and practice until you feel confident. We don't take your money, we don't trade your money, and we're not going to push you into a live real market environment. This is something that you need to do and leverage us as you go through this trader development process. Okay? We're not guaranteeing you anything, so I need to make that very clear. I do know though, if you're putting in the time and you're putting in the work, you will see incredible things start happening. The layer of inactivity, you may find yourself thrown in here from time to time, whether it was immediately after you joined because you forgot to add your ID to your name, or because your subscription became inactive. Just please remember, this is a business. Respect our time as much as we respect yours. In order to access the server, you do need to be a part of our organization. You need to have an active iMarketsLive subscription. Otherwise, you're going to be stuck in the layer, and this is going to be the only chat room that you're going to be able to talk in, and until we release you and verify that you're allowed to have the rest of the server access. If you have any questions at any time, drop it in the community chat. And if you're unfamiliar with how to use Discord overall, then make sure that you check out the full training that's going to be covered in the desktop version.